everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a very rare 1970 Buick GS. This is a documented true Stage 1 car. Very cool car, guys. I apologize. I've actually ordered some stuff for this car, but everybody's kind of been waiting patiently and some not so patiently for this video and some photos to get done. So I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and knock it out, but I've got some stuff coming for the car. I bought this car out of a 300 car private collection. The white one that you see that's already got sold, that one was in there as well. But again, documented Stage 1 car. This has a pretty cool story behind it. The car's only showing 48,000 miles. That's supposed to be original. This car spent most of his life on the drag strip. Factory, I think it's code 19 black car. And according to the previous owner, one of four known to exist, one of four produced in this color combination. But again, it is a factory black car with saddle interior. I had my guy come over and paint correct it, ceramic coat it. Paint came out slick. There are some blemishes on this car, but the paint come out fabulous. I mean, it looks great. You can see, you can nitpick this car. You know, it's original trim, original chrome. So you can definitely nitpick some stuff on this car. I will tell you, we jumped in it, drove it an hour on the expressway. Car did great. It really hit the road nice. Good, solid, straight body. I believe it has all the original panels still on it. And like I say, car hits the road good. Really good. They put some aftermarket speakers in it. Sorry about the dust, guys, but out here with this traffic, they're out here for 10 seconds and they get like this. Again, original rear bumper. This is the worst spot on the worst blemish on the paint, I can tell you that. There's a couple little things you can pick at, but it's nice. Nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. It's got the 15-inch Buick Rallys. Pretty car. And again, factory black car, not a green car painted black, factory black car. It's actually got I think it's aerospace components, front disc brake kit on it with slotted and drilled rotors. This is not a matching numbers car, and this is something I've ordered. That should not be chrome, it should be black. We've ordered a whole new kit. Unfortunately, they didn't have it in stock, but it is coming. It is it'll have all the new stickers, the new foam. I ordered the new valve covers. The original valve covers are in the box in the trunk. They've converted it to MSD ignition. Like I say, this thing was a drag car. It does not have the matching numbers engine in it. It does have a 70 engine intake, heads, but it is not the matching numbers engine. They put ceramic coated headers on it, power steering, again, power front disc brakes, 400 turbohydramatic transmission. It does have a Quadrajet 4-barrel on it. And again, that stuff is coming. We will refurbish that air cleaner. It's just not here yet. Yeah, you can see the disc brake kit in there. Like I say, this car spent most of its life doing a quarter mile at a time. Original remote mirror, it works, but again, you can pick it. Original door handles, and little light pink there. I think they said they replaced the front seat covers. The rest of it, excuse me, is supposed to be original. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Sport steering wheel. Yeah, 48,783, almost turning 4. You got to check. We do have to check the fuel gauge. Haven't had time to mess with it. It's got an aftermarket tach and gauges. Blower motor works. It's got a Retrosounds radio with a plug-in down there. That stuff works. Factory bucket seats, center console. Like I say, the front seat covers they did replace. X-pipe, Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. Sounds great. It has a 12-bolt. I think he said 364 positive traction rear axle in it. Rear sway bar. There's the old Buick spare in here. Again, those are the original valve covers. Those will go with the car. Those go with the car. They're just faded, so I bought new ones. Clean underneath. Again, I apologize, guys. We bought about 20 cars here in the last 2 weeks. Trying to get stuff posted. I know stuff's getting sold before we get it posted, and guys are getting frustrated with me, but I'm here to sell them, not really to advertise them, but I'm trying to knock stuff out the best we can. But of course, there's always something we got to do. We're waiting on parts, waiting on this, waiting on that. Go ahead, Dale. Again, original door handles. Okay, car runs out great. Did great at 70 miles an hour on the expressway, didn't get hot, and like I said, it's a solid hour drive. We got caught in some traffic, so it was sitting there, didn't heat up, did great, did really good. It's a great body style. Tach works. See, it's holding good oil pressure. Radio in there works, blower motor does work. Fit and finish is nice on the car. We got a brake light out, one of the bulbs is out, we'll check it. Again, we haven't even had a chance to really do much on this car yet, guys. Give a little rev, Dale. Knowing the white one sold, guys were not happy with it. Radio works, blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. I'm going to replace those two. Those need to be replaced. Nope, you gotta have help. I'll check it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a good looking car, man. Nice and flat. And like I say, that paint come out really slick. Paint corrected, ceramic coated, 5-year ceramic coat on it. True Stage 1. day, guys.